So today I get to shoot the 277 Wolverine. This was made by a friend of mine who has this odd obsession with having the one-off or oddballs. Him and his dad. He likes the big calibers, but in this case he wanted a lightweight hunting rifle. And of course my 6x45 wasn't good enough for him. So what he had to do was go out and get the 277 so he could shoot heavier bullets. We're going to shoot this at 200 yards, and this is going to be the first time I've actually gotten to fire this. Now, I just fired a bunch of rounds from my 6x45 down range, and I have a target down there with bullets in it. And what we're going to do is I'm going to fire his and see basically how they group. Now, mine has a stainless steel barrel, 20 inches, and 1 1/8 twist. I believe this is a 111. Twist.
111, yeah.
It's 111 twist, and it's a 16-inch barrel. So
18.
18?
18.
It's an 18-inch barrel. It looks so stuffed with that really long forearm or foregrip on it. So we shall see how it does.
You can set the parallax wherever you want it. It's just adjustable parallax. Take it and set it for about 250. It should be about perfect.
Well, I hope a big old buck doesn't step out in front of you like that.
When I'm hunting, I leave the parallax at about 1.5 bucks. It's enough you can see it.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Looks like dead center, just below the bullseye though.
Yeah, it does, huh?
It didn't even scare the bird that's on the fence post.
Hit it again. You're low. You are 5 inches low with that shot.
It dropped like a rock. Alright, so he had this zero dead on at 100, and the first group I fired, I was aiming here. He told me I hit low, and that's the group. Now this is 200 meters, or 200 yards, and it is still grouping like an inch, which is, you know, kind of better than he does at 100 anyway. So obviously it's my superior shooting skills. But, you know, we did have a couple go off. It was pretty windy, and so after he told me where it was, what I did is I aimed up here in the scope, and I was able to Kentucky windage these, which is still not bad. I mean, the rifle groups very, very well. I think I would need to shoot it more to, you know, kind of do something like this over here.